children, now in the same topic, the light, and today's topic is what? Reflection of light. So reflection of light. See, for example, when you catch a ball and hit the ball against a wall, then the ball will be bouncing back from the wall. After hitting on the wall, it bounces back. Similarly, even light, when casts on some body, it bounces back. The phenomenon of light to bounce back after incidenting on a surface will be called your reflection of light. This is called reflection of light. So I told previously there is a ball. Ball is an object, but in fact light is not composed of any particles, but still it is said that a small sort of particles are present. These particles by which light ray is composed is called photons. The photons are having small packets of energy, and after dissipating, after going some distance, that particular packets burst out and the energy dissipates. For example, say this is a source of light and it is traveling here, it dissipates back. So it burst. So the particles again burst out this way, and after going some distance again it bursts out this way, and these particles again burst out with smaller photons. Again this will again burst out with smaller photons. So what is happening? As it goes forward, the source of light, it will take a solid angle. In the way of solid angle, it will go on expanding. So this way of the transmission of light, in this way, this is called your coherent source of light. This is coherent source of light. Light is coherent source. Why? Because as it moves forward, it spans greater and greater region. So it is composed of small particles. These particles are called photons, and the process it dissipates and it scans in greater region. This is what called your quantum, and you will be reading about these quantums in your graduation level, more regarding that when you take specialization in physics. So let's come to what is reflection of light. The reflection of light is the phenomenon of light to bounce back whenever incidents on a surface. So let's see, I have taken a smooth surface, I have taken a rough surface. Here I have incidented light this way. So when the light is incidented on a smooth surface, it reflects back this way. This is the phenomenon of light reflecting back, and this is called your reflection of light. This is after incidenting, it is going double arrow, this is triple arrow to differentiate people, and again these four arrows. So this is called your regular reflection. This is called regular reflection. Regular reflection takes place whenever light incidents on a smooth surface. Let's come to the second surface. This surface is rough, and when light casts on this particular surface, and this reflection will not be similar to that of your regular reflection. Say this light ray goes this way, this is coming in this way, and this is incidented and is going like this, and is going this in this direction. All the reflected rays, here all the reflected rays are parallel in case of regular reflection. But in case of irregular reflection, the reflected rays are not parallel. Why? Because the surface is not smooth. We are getting lighting into this room, although sun is not visibly direct to us. The direct sun rays are not available. So how we are getting the luminosity within this room is only because of our irregular reflection in the outside buildings or outside hedges, outside road, trees, and rest of things. Because of that, the light is reflected. We are getting the luminosity within this room. That is due to because our irregular reflection. And next. So you can say that in a smooth surface you will get regular reflection, in a rough surface you will be getting irregular reflection. And I took two smooth surface, one each. This is shining surface, and another is your black body. What is happening in shining surface? When the light reflects incident, it reflects back. Whereas in black body, when the light incidents, total light being get absorbed by the black body. Black body is not a reflecting surface. So why I have differentiated this, that I told you that whenever you are throwing a ball against a wall, the ball as soon as it hits the wall, it bounces back. because the wall is a harder and solid substance which is heavier than the ball. And in this case, this shiny surface and this black body both are solids. However, when light incidents here, it reflects back, and whenever light incidents here, it get absorbed. So here you need to identify that ball is a physical body and physically that appears, but light is not composed of any physical body like that. It is simply an energy, and that energy gets reflected when it is hitting a shiny surface, whereas whenever it falls on a black body, it gets absorbed.